Hello and welcome to my channel AnyTechhacks.
In this video, I will show you how you can share your PC screen to another PC or how you can control another PC by your PC. This will be the interesting video, watch till the end. Now I am on my PC screen and this is my friend PC screen. I have to download an application for sharing my PC screen to my friend PC. There is the link in this video description. Click on that link. Now here you can see the website of AnyDesk. Yes, we have to download this application for sharing the screen. Click on download here. Download AnyDesk also on another PC. Open the application now. This is the layout of AnyDesk. As you can see, there is two options. One is for sharing your PC screen to another, and second one is for controlling another PC on your PC. Let me share my PC screen to my friend PC screen. I need to share this code. Let's go to my friend PC screen. Now enter that code and click on connect. Go back to my PC screen. Let me accept this invitation. Let's go to my friend PC screen again. Now my friend can control my PC screen. Let's watch this parallelly to see how it looks. You can disconnect after you have done your work. That's how you can control another PC by your PC.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch these two videos. See you soon in my next upcoming videos.